I grew up in Brooklyn, New York, and my parents were both teachers, so we really understood the engagement with the community and the service. I had been privileged to be at a lot of great academic places between Mount Sinai and Baylor most recently, and I was invited to apply for the chair position. I recognized two really important things about Geisinger. One is the goodness of the people across the board, and the second was purity of the mission. I'm Dr. Kenneth Altman, System Chair of the Department of Otolaryngology, Head and Neck Surgery at Geisinger. I treat voice disorders, swallowing disorders, cough, and sometimes airway problems. I love the voice because I have a musical background. I started off playing the piano when I was in 3rd grade. I was a behavior problem in 5th grade, so instead of playing violin, they threw me to the back of the room and I was tapping on a drum, and that ultimately led to my career as a drummer and a percussionist in many of the orchestras and college symphonies. And then ultimately, when I got involved with otolaryngology, I realized that there was a musical side to it, not just the hearing side with cochlear implants and being able to hear the beauty of the voice, but also the idea of manufacturing the voice and the diversity of what goes into really beautiful performing art voices. And it's not just singers or trial attorneys or teachers, it's really everyone that needs to have their voice to communicate. My approach to patient care is to understand the patient, meet them where they're at, but do the best I can to educate them in terms of what best practice is, what could give them the best outcome in their life. I'm very blessed to have joy when I come into work in the morning and leave with at least that much joy when I go home at the end of the day. And a lot of it has to do with the doctor-patient relationship, their appreciation, the ability to affect change in their life,